Hey guys, welcome to Geese TV 143 and another episode of On the Road Food Review. So today I'm in London, Ohio. I'm at Small Town Scoops. It's a really cool little place. The current owner, this is her second year, and I guess the building's been here for 75 years, so that's an old ice cream shop. So I got the Hippie Skippy, which is peanut butter and caramel and pretzel bits. Pretzel bits? Is that even legal? Let's give it a try. Highly recommend. If you're out in this area, London, Ohio, gotta stop by. So I'm just gonna give it the pink screaming chicken award just because I can. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna enjoy this.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little button thing down here. And tell them Geese sent you.